How to install the Lasfit Stealth Anti-Theft Hood Lock. First, open the hood. Remove the 6 plastic clips with the trim removal tool. Remove the front grille by slightly pulling the top up, then pull towards you. Remove the 2 T30 Torx screws to install the lock module. Align the holes and reinstall the 2 screws. Connect the black air tube to the connector on the left, then connect the air tube with a white marking to the connector on the right. Remove the nut and insert the air tube. And tighten the nut with a wrench. Route the air tubes through the bottom of the driver's side headlight. Use cable ties to secure the air tubes on the metal bar and route it through the bottom of the driver's side headlight. Push the cover out from the front of the driver's side firewall. Drill holes in the cover with an electric drill. Route the air tubes through this cover into the vehicle. Fixed controller box on the mounting bracket. Remove the panel under the steering wheel using the trim removal tool. Attach the provided nut to the back of the rail. Use the bolt to align the nut. Use the 8mm wrench to loose the bolt, only losing it a few turns. Mount controller box to the Jeep. Tighten the bolt. Connect the air tube with white marking to the white connector and the black air tube to the black connector. Slide the manual unlock switch over the bolt with the button facing down and tighten with the 8mm wrench. Connect the harness to the controller box and plug the OBD2 pass-through cable into the Jeep's OBD2 port. Connect the manual unlock switch wires to the OBD power harness. Route the CAN bus harness to the passenger side and connect it to the CAN bus terminal. Use the stick as a guide to push the harness to the passenger side. Remove the glove box. Push the plastic arm down to detach it. Plug the CAN bus harness onto any available slot on the green terminal. Then start the vehicle to test the function before putting everything back. Great! It works! Now let's talk about the manual unlock switch with the emergency power cable. In case the Jeep's start battery dead, you can use the 12 volts emergency power cable to provide power to the controller box and manually release the air from the locking module. First, connect the emergency power cable to the controller box. Second, connect the cable's 12 volts cigarette lighter plug to a helper vehicle or a jump starter's 12 volts cigarette lighter socket. Third, press the manual unlock button to release air from the lock module. Wait about 5 seconds, then press the button again to turn off manual mode.